Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I'm going to talk about how can you copy trading in Bitget. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to copy trading in Bitget, you just simply have to open the Bitget application. And after opening the Bitget application, it will open this home page. Now you just simply have to select this icon from top left corner. I'm tapping into that icon, and after that this page will be opened up. Now in here you will get this option of copy at very last of popular section. Just simply tap to copy option, and after going into copy you will get this option into here. First one here is discovers, and second one is features, third is spot and boards. Now you can very easily choose any of the trading which you would like to copy, and in here you will get to see the negatives and positives of each trading into this section directly. Now you just simply have to tap into this copy option right here, and you can easily tap to confirm and copy this trading into your Bitget. This way you can easily customize it from here and copy the trading into Bitget, and this way you can easily maximize your trading experience. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching this video.